I just watched a really funny video on YouTube, how to wash a cat, and it reminded me that my cats haven't been washed for quite a while. I do think there's more than one way to wash a cat. So I want my cats to smell good. Now I'm gonna go get the cat. Okay, Gracie. I think she suspects something's up. But let me, Gracie, say hi to the camera. Oh, isn't she cute? Gracie. This is my cat, Gracie. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is Minky. This is Minky. Now I'm gonna try this without protective gear. But see, if you're gonna do two cats, you need to get both cats in the room at the same time. Okay, they know something's up. But let's see, I think Gracie's gonna be easier, so we'll start with Gracie. Oh, you're such a good kitty. Let's see. Okay, it's all right, it's all right. It's okay, it's okay. Claws are out, yikes. Okay, come on, Gracie. Come on, Gracie, it's not gonna be that bad. Okay, come on. Let go, let go, let go. Gracie, yeah, okay. Cat in the bath, get the cat wet. Okay, shampoo, you don't have too long. Little shampoo, not too much. Okay, soap the cat down. Okay, get the tail. Okay, Gracie, you're doing so good, Gracie. Okay, now rinse the cat off. You're in the final stages, Gracie. Come on. Rinse the cat off. Okay, Gracie. Okay, one cat done. Come on, Gracie. Okay. Gracie, you're wet. Okay. I have to admit, that was the easy cat. We've got a harder cat. Cat number 2, I'm a little out of breath. Cat number 2 is a little rougher. The cat is clawed onto me. Okay. Okay, Minky. Shit. Okay. Let's just breathe, everyone. Yikes. Shit. Minky. Okay. There we go. Well, this cat is actually going to escape without shampoo. Oh, okay. One cat is washed, one cat is wet.